There's a lot of black people out here supporting R. Kelly being charged with the Mann Act. No black person should ever support any white supremacist law, period. This law had killed a lot of black people in the past. You see what I'm saying? It should be repealed. It shouldn't even be on the books. He shouldn't even been charged with that. Y'all are looking at the charging sheet and seeing what he was charged with, and I don't see any black people saying, yo, the Mann Act, like, what the fuck? Is this 1919? The fuck? For real. Y'all are out here supporting some shit that we all know is racist. And just because it's R. Kelly, we're not saying nothing about it. So now I know there's the line for a lot of you brothers, sisters out there. You feel me? The line is that you're a woman and that you're emotional, or that, certain issues have to be brought up in order for you to back up white supremacy and slave master. For me, I'm not going to do it. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm not going to do it. You know what I'm saying? The Mann Act needs to be taken off the motherfucking books. Shouldn't even be a motherfucking law in 2021. But we got black people cheering this shit. I don't hear anybody like questioning, like, whoa, the Mann Act, how did that shit? It's also called white slavery. If that shit isn't offensive enough to a black person, they're out here charging niggas with slavery called white slavery. Mm-mm. I can't support it as a black man. And anyway, I'm against the American government and their ability to have any law on my land as a indigenous Louisiana Creole. Go look at Louisiana Purchase Treaty Article 6. It says that, that America needs mutual consent of all the tribes of Louisiana based on the Spanish Indian treaties with the natives of Louisiana like me. You know what I'm saying? America's never asked us for shit. They just take what they want. America is an illegal, bastardized government created by England. But back to the Mann Act. We should never support racism in any form, and we should not empower racist laws that we all know need to be taken off the books. Period. Y'all motherfuckers out here trying to say I'm supporting pedophilia. Fuck you. Nope. My mom taught me to hate the motherfucking Mann Act when I was a little boy. Think I might have been 6th grade when my mom broke down the Mann Act to me. Hated that shit since then. Did Mos Def do a whole album and a whole documentary about Jack Johnson and about the racist Mann Act? Still in practice in 2021. What kind of black people are you? You can't trust these black people in America. They will sell you out. You're telling me that your government, your slave master, couldn't have convicted R. Kelly without the Mann Act? Then the other issue that I have with this trial, right? They lowered the standard for all of us black people to be able to be executed or put in jail. All the witnesses testified that they didn't see anything. Yet the jury came back and stated that they convicted based on witness testimony. So if any of us get arrested for anything, right, and the witnesses are saying that they didn't see us do anything, don't cry then when you're in the chair. Don't cry when you're the one on trial and these white people are saying they didn't see you do anything and you still get convicted in the future. We're setting ourselves up. You don't see how these white people are setting us up for failure? They're setting us up for failure. They want our stamp of approval, stamp, so that they can continue genocide. Stop empowering the white supremacy. Then you wonder why there's racism. Well, why am I getting treated like this? You empower racism all the time, then you cry about it. You could be against R. Kelly all you want, fine. They could have convicted him with other evidence without those erroneous witnesses, right? They just lowered the burden of the standard of the legal standards with that, and they could have charged him and convicted him without the Mann Act. I don't believe in America or democracy. I will never. Okay, that's your slave master and your government. I'm not an American. I'm mon créole Louisien. Mon pas américain. Je n'ai pas Amérique. Je suis indien avec les Afriques. You know what I'm saying? Real talk, player.